There are a lot of contractions in English, and they are necessary to learn. We usually use contractions to take two words and combine them together. They can also be used to shorten a word, to make it flow when speaking. They are used in English speech and writing. Contractions make speaking sound more fluid, and they make speaking and writing have a more informal tone. Let's take a look at the most commonly used contractions and see how to use them in a sentence so you can practice them with me. Let's get started. Can't, can't. Can't means can not. She can't go tomorrow, but she can go today. She can't go tomorrow, but she can go today. Might have, might have. Might have means might have. He might have known about it before I did. He might have known about it before I did. Howl, howl. Howl means how will. How'll she find you in that crowd? How'll she find you in that crowd? Isn't, isn't. Isn't means is not. Isn't she speaking at the conference? Isn't she speaking at the conference? Wanna, wanna. Wanna means want to. I don't wanna get out of bed and go to work. I don't wanna get out of bed and go to work. Haven't, haven't. Haven't means have not. I haven't read that book yet. I haven't read that book yet. Do you like the way I teach English? If you do, please join my Patreon at patreon.com/blabbinit. I have so many useful resources there so that you can learn English quickly. If you join my Patreon, you will have access to digital downloads, shoutouts, and exclusive content. I also provide live chat sessions for members only. In these chat sessions, I will provide you with exercises and dialogues for you to practice directly with me. There will also be a place for you to ask me, ¿Cómo se dice en inglés? You will also receive all of the texts to all of the videos that I upload on Blabinet. I will also include the audio files for you. So check it out and become a member now. She'd. She'd. She'd means she had or she would. She'd rather wait for you to get here. She'd rather wait for you to get here. Don't. Don't. Don't means do not. Don't you even think about doing that. Don't you even think about doing that. Hour. Hour. Hour means how are. How are your parents handling the move to Arizona? How are your parents handling the move to Arizona? Heal. Heal. Heal means he will. He'll call you when he is ready. He'll call you when he is ready. Won't. Won't. Won't means will not. I won't be able to join you for dinner tonight. I won't be able to join you for dinner tonight. May have. May have. May have means may have. She may have stopped by when I wasn't home. She may have stopped by when I wasn't home. I've. I've means I have. I've thought about it a lot since last week. I've thought about it a lot since last week. I hope that you've learned some new contractions in this video. If you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click on the little bell so you receive a notification every time I upload a new video. You guys are the best. I'll see you next time. Ciao, my favorite Blabanitos!